Talk to Me Radio. So I want to demonstrate our new public radio system that is being created here. So this is our new Citizens Band public group radio system. You could either use walkie-talkies, you could use the mobile base station, you could use your cell phone, a tablet, whatever you like to connect to the network. So we have created a Citizens Band network with over 100 channels for people to use and talk on, and we've made it super cheap, making it only $25 a year. The advantage of this network is that you don't need no license for it, first of all. And second of all, you can use it almost anywhere in the United States. That's right. Almost anywhere in the United States that there's a cell phone tower, you can connect to. We have partnered with all the major cell carriers in order to provide excellent coverage in the United States. Now, we also offer international service if necessary. But here is a map of what it looks like for the coverage. So that's all Hawaii, all Alaska, some of Alaska, Puerto Rico, and most of the United States, as you can see. So these walkie-talkies and this radio system will work anywhere that there is coverage. So how does it work exactly? So the 100-channel public system is available on any radio. And what you would do is, I can go here, and I'm demonstrating here. Let me get a little closer. So you see this radio is on channel 1 right now. And I could change channels by clicking on the group function and then going down and choosing whatever channel I want. See, there's a bunch of channels there. And then I could pick a channel and then see who's talking on those channels, and I can join those channels if I want to. All right, I hit the exit button, and I'm going to stay on channel 1 for now. So once I key up my microphone, I'll be able to broadcast to anybody that's on channel 1. And here's the example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, I hit the walkie-talkies. I could hit the mobile unit. This is the base station unit. And if I want to talk back from the phone, all I got to do is press the push to talk button, go into channel 1. And I want to just press the push to talk button here and say 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, I'm talking to the walkie-talkies that are available there. So that's how that works. Now, this is a public network, so from channels 1 through 100 are available to any user that signs up for the Talk to Chat community service. We also feature a private channel for individuals that would like to have just a private channel along with the public channels, or if you don't want to be part of the public channel system, you can sign up for our Talk to Me private radio system. If you have any questions, my name is Robert. Talk to Me is the name of the company, and it's talk2me.us. And we have a great offer right now. Again, we're only $25 a year for nationwide radios. And your second radio is $20, and every additional radio is $20. So the first radio is $25, and every additional radio is $20 a month. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot, guys.